Hi, today for lunch I'm going to cook some hot dogs on my solo stove mesa tabletop fire pit. Let's get started. It's going to be easy. I got some pellets here, some hickory smoke flavored pellets. Just going to put them in. See, about that much. I have this Strike-A-Fire giant matches that I've been lighting this with. It's pretty cool. Lights like a match, look. Lights like a match, look. Let it burn itself, see? Oh, stay lit. This is a neat way to start your fire. On your grill or whatever, you know, or your campfire. And put that in the middle of the pellets. And while that gets ready, it's going to be ready in about 10-15 minutes or less. I went out in the yard and I got some good hot dog cooking sticks. I like this one. Look. Let me whittle me up a point on here. So by the time I'm done whittling this, we're going to get the hot dogs. You got some onions chopped up, right?
Right.
I don't know, I'll use some of Colin's pickles. What kind of hot dogs we got today?
Hatfield.
Ah. That's gonna be nice, right? Oh, look what it did. All right. Too excited. Want me to whittle you up a stick?
Okay.
Or are you gonna use some fancy fork? You gonna have one?
Yeah, of course.
This one got a little vine on it. Clinging vine. One stick or a fork?
A stick.
Okay. This will be good. Let me get this one first. All right, bring out the doggies and the fixins, please. Got about 5 minutes. Let that burn down. I had some nice fire the other night. It's beautiful in the nighttime. It comes out of the holes on the top, and it makes such a nice pattern. I'll show you a couple pictures here I took. And those vent holes help it to be smokeless. Well, right now we have smoke because that big match is burning off. But once the pellets start, it should be smokeless. Do you see smoke? I do. Sterilize my hot dog stick. Get hers ready. I do some of my best thinking when I'm sitting here whittling. You know that? Oh, all kinds of food there. What do you got?
Oh, we got some rolls and hot dogs and onions and pickles that Colin made.
Yeah, Colin and Dreamy pickles. Put your whittlings in the fire.
Pickles.
Kosher spears from Colin, my grandson. Thank you, boy. You're a good boy. Onion, hot doggies,
Get some napkins.
napkins to throw at you.
Get the mustard and get you something to drink.
Yeah, give me some of that roar. I like that roar. Thank you. Roar at the shore.
Wow, that flame is really taking off.
I guess I could cook now, right? It's still smoky though. I like to let it burn till it comes out of the air holes there inside.
Yeah.
Wasn't it so cool that it's on your tabletop, on your deck,
Yeah.
or your picnic table? Bun. You want a little slice of pickle spear for your hot dog?
Sure.
Put it over there. Put mine over here. I'm ready. I don't know about you. Should we let it die down a little more? I know it'll cook now. It's fire. Right? Okay, well, while I'm cooking it and while I'm taking a few bites, maybe it'll die down just enough for you to see the nice smokeless pattern in there. Yeah, here it comes. Starting to come out of the holes. Can you see it? Maybe on this side. It'll be all the way around soon.
It's not all the way around yet, but I can see starting to on the right side.
Yeah, see that big chunk of match wood I put in there made it uneven.
That'll soon be gone.
Yeah, it'll be nice, smooth pellet flames. Are you ready, Steve? This is how I learned to cook. Look, I even got a little stump coming out there so I can use for a stabilizer, see? Maybe you get one on your stick too. Look, alright, we can make this just as nice as we want. These aren't pre-cooked, right? Hot dogs? So you gotta cook them good. You're not gonna take temperature or nothing. I'm just gonna eat it like a caveman. What fun this is. There's a beautiful flame. See the beautiful flame? We made s'mores on here one night. I had toasted marshmallow. Wow. That's how we do it. Look at that. So, I know you're going to go up and get it cooked real lightly, right? You don't want it really brown?
I'm going to cook mine when it goes down to the coals.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I was gonna.
You might not be in this video.
That's okay.
Yeah, look at the nice pattern of flame. Can you see it down there now?
We were talking about
Look at,
all those
look at.
holes being filled with
Oh,
flame.
listen to the. Drop my doggy, and it's hot. It's a hot doggy. I think I burned the end of my stick. I whittled it too much. You have a metal fork, don't you? You have nice metal forks made for this. But this is authentic. And the little hot dog stick smells good when it burns. See that? Look. She bought these special for this reason. Wouldn't that be nice? You're gonna use this, right?
You can use it too.
Well, I'm doing this now. I want to go authentic all the way. Huh?
I was giving you that to put on.
Ready to go? You can do it while you control the camera. Bring it in here, Mama. Look at it. I think it's getting good. That's better than the 7-Eleven doggy. I'm gonna eat it now. Look at it. Is sizzling yet? Perfect size for that little bun. I want first. Beautiful pickle. Look at that. Solo stove cooked hot dog. You know what's really good on here? The pickle.
That.
The smokiness of the hot dog with the hickory wood pellets, mustard, and homemade pickle. Are you gonna wait till the flame is almost gone, like coals?
It's starting to go out of the holes.
See, it's really smokeless now. See? Well, I got onions in there now. I smell them. I threw a bunch of onions in. Hot dog is good. Uh-oh. She's a gentle cooker.
I'm cooking it like a marshmallow. Maybe we can have s'mores sometime today, huh?
Maybe. You like them. They're so sweet for me. Okay. Thanks for watching us make these hot dogs on the Solo stove. I'm gonna make another one. Or you can have 2 maybe. Maybe.
Maybe.
It's lunch.
Maybe.
Check it out. I'll put a link down there. They're really cool. They are. Kathy got me this for my birthday. A while ago. It ain't now, so. Birthday's over. Ain't having no more. Well, I'd like to have more, but I want the number to go up. Talk to you soon. Please subscribe and share this with your friends. Send your friend one of these. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't get in the fire!